Morning children, welcome to your social science session, and today here we are going to start with a very new and fresh chapter of your term 2. So children, for that you are required to open your discovering social science book and you will open page number 73. Page number 73, that is India and its states. So we all know that we live in a country which is called India. So our country, which is our country? Our country is India. So here in this chapter, we are going to study all about India, what are the states, what are union territories, and what are the features of our country. Okay? So children, you all will open your books to page number 73, and we are going to read as well as we are going to understand what is the concept of this chapter. So our country, which is our country? Our country is India. So India is a vast country, means it is a very large country. It is the 7th largest country and is the second most populated country in the world. So which one is the second most populated country? We will underline some of the important words, that is second most populated country of the world. The first populated country is China, and after that India is the second most populated country after China. Okay, so first is China and the second most populated is India. It is a subcontinent. What is the subcontinent? For understanding subcontinent, first we have to understand what is continent. So children, continent is a large mass of land. It is a large mass of land which usually has different places, or we should say different countries in it. So what is basically a subcontinent? India is a subcontinent. It is a large mass land, means very huge land which has smaller states as well as smaller places in it. Okay, so subcontinent is a small form, or it is a less spaced form of continent. Continents are usually huge, subcontinents are smaller than continents. The official name of our country is Republic of India. So what is the main basic name of India? It is the Republic of India. The citizens of India are known as Indians. What are the citizens known as? Indians. Okay, India has two more names, that is Bharat as well as Hindustan. Now, this is the map of India. What is a map, children? A map is a pictorial drawing of any particular space or a country that is drawn on a paper. So, if we draw any place on a piece of paper, that is known as a map. Okay, so we all know that this is the graphical or the pictorial, the picture form of our country, that is India. And in India there are various states and various union territories. So it starts from Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, these are union territories. So the states start from Himachal Pradesh from the north and they go to Kerala in the south. So this is the north, here it's south, then here this is west and east. So north begins from Himachal Pradesh state, then it goes to south Kerala. In the west it starts from Gujarat, and last state is Arunachal Pradesh in the east. So we'll come to page number 74. So page number 74 tells us the states of India as well as their capitals. So India has 28 states which are extended from Himachal Pradesh in the north to the Kerala in the south. Same I told you right now, Himachal Pradesh, because Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir are union territories. So Himachal Pradesh in the north and extends to Kerala in the south, as well as from Gujarat in the west. This is Gujarat from the west and goes to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. So all these different places in India, which are divided into different places according to their boundaries, according to their areas. They are known as different states. Okay, and every state has its capital. For example, if we talk about Rajasthan, the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Means all the important decisions of Rajasthan are taken in Jaipur. Along with the capital cities, every state has different language spoken. Also, they have different traditional clothes to wear. Also, they have different food items which become their speciality. Now, there is one etc. given: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland, as well as Tripura. Means all the states that are over here. This circle I have drawn from the east part. These states are known as the seven sister states. In exam, you can be asked which states are known as the seven sister states, or you can be asked what are these states known as. So you have to learn it in both the forms. Okay, now we come to the states as well as the capitals. I know you all have studied them, you have memorized them already, but once again we'll give them a quick revise. Pradesh, children, earlier the capital of state Andhra Pradesh was Hyderabad, which is now changed to Amravati. Okay, the new capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Then Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, again Chandigarh, here also it was, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. So here are 28 states as well as their capitals. Here one more name is given, the short name of Thiruvananthapuram, that is Trivandrum. And we have also learned the earlier name of Mumbai, that was Bombay, as well the earlier name of Kolkata, that was Calcutta. So I also told you that Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana, as well as it is the capital of Punjab, and it is a union territory, and it will be the capital of itself also. So children, here you will mark this table and you will write learn. Over here you have to learn all the states as well as their capital, as they can be asked in the exams in any form. Now one etc. is given. Uttar Pradesh, with the population of over 199 million people, is India's most populous state. So India's most populated state, which it is Uttar Pradesh. Telangana is the youngest state. You can be asked in exam, dash is the youngest state. So Telangana is the youngest state. When was it found? It was found in 2014. So youngest means it was latest found. So children, this is all for today, and here we wind up with our chapter for today. In the next session we are going to start with the union territories, and we will study about their capitals as well as their features. Okay, so till then, bye bye, and I'll welcome you all in the next session.